Hi everyone, myself Nagashalini. Our teammates are Niveta and Darshana from Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. Our final year project title is Home Automation using Node MCU, guided by Mr. R. Ashok, ME, Assistant Professor of ECE Department. Abstract: Wi-Fi is controlled by using Blink Android application instant button method. Here only needs to touch the button in Blink Android application to control the electrical equipment. The objective of this project is to control electrical and electronic appliances in home through home automation system using a Node MCU, with internet being remotely controlled by any Android OS smartphones from anywhere. It's very useful to helpless people also. Introduction: Home automation evaluation start with some basic ideas. Presently, conventional wall switches located in different part of the home makes it difficult for the user to go near them to operate it. In addition, it becomes more difficult for the elderly or physically handicapped people. Remote controlled home automation system provides a most modern solution with smartphones. Existing system. Nowadays, the advancement in technology, various new design smart makes use of Wi-Fi home automation for various applications. Mostly Wi-Fi network was using home security purpose. The various applications are done by home automation, like doing different works on the command X, switching on the light when the home automation is given the command by the Wi-Fi enabled device. Proposed system: the home automation was controlled by the Wi-Fi network in Blink Android application. The Wi-Fi home automation can be easily to make on and off by using the command in Blink application. We can make the home automation do the various tasks using Wi-Fi network technologies. Circuit diagram: hardware components, Node MCU relay bulbs. Software requirements: Arduino IDE, Node MCU library, Blink library, Blink app. Node MCU is an open source LUA based firmware and development board specially targeted for IoT based applications. Relay is also a switch that connects or disconnects two circuits, but instead of manual operations, a relay is applied with electrical signal, which in turn connects or disconnects another circuits. Block diagram. This is the block diagram of our project. The home automation is operated with Node MCU controller, and the command is given by the Blink Android application in mobile phones using Wi-Fi network. The Node MCU has inbuilt Wi-Fi module and the device connected with home automation. Both Wi-Fi is connected with an authentication token. Blink Android application will transmit commands using Wi-Fi to the electrical equipment, so that its electrical equipment depends upon the required conditions. This is the demo of our project that used as an IoT system controlled by Blink application is running. Loads used in this project are bulbs. They can be changed with other devices by changing bulbs with AC plugs to connect home use devices or equipments. Thus, the processor, Node MCU with Wi-Fi module, and mobile app Blink are used to control electrical and electronic appliances from anywhere. The light control test is done by pressing the on-off button which gets on the Blink application on respective Android smartphones for lights and fans. This is done, the system is turned on and connected to a Wi-Fi internet connection. Thanks for watching.